Master your money, budget basics. Welcome to DollarWise, where smart money meets your daily life. Ready to change how you budget? Let's dive in. Budgeting isn't just numbers. It's your path to freedom. What's your why? Peace of mind? Big dreams? Keep that fire alive. Every dollar has a job. Don't let your cash just chill. Assign it. Spend, save, invest, or give. Watch your money come alive. Try zero-based budgeting, a super simple trick. Income minus expenses equals zero. If it's leftover, you're missing something. Balance your budget like a pro with the 50/30/20 rule. Needs, wants, and saving, the perfect mix for a healthy money life. Budgeting isn't a punishment. It's your permission slip to guilt-free spending and peaceful sleep. Live your money smart. Start small. Track just 1 week of spending. Awareness is the magic first step to taking control of your cash flow. Write down your financial goals. Clear targets like save $1,000 for that dream trip. Fuel your budgeting journey. Don't rely on memory. Use apps or a simple notebook. Guessing your money is like guessing your future, risky business. Build a $1,000 mini emergency fund. It's your financial lifesaver when life throws curveballs. Celebrate small wins. Budget $10 for a treat. Motivation lives in little rewards that keep you going strong. That's your budgeting foundation, a mindset of purpose, planning, and small steps.